Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to be upgrading our door lights. Some people call them different stuff, floodlights. I think they call them like shadow lights and stuff too, which that's what they have on this. But we're going to be putting the red Hellcat emblem on mine today. And I think they have 21 different selections on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you want to take a look at them. They're about $35 for both of them, and you can get the Scat Pack, you can get Hellcat logos. They even have one for the Demon. They also got like just regular RT and Challenger lights and stuff like that. But opening this up, I'll show you they got a little thank you card there, and then simple instructions on the back. And these are clearly labeled for left side and the right side, so you don't get them mixed up. Nothing worse than installing them on the wrong side. And also, I bought a kit, and it came with like some pry tools and stuff. And it was mainly for a retainer pin for my splash guards that I put on the back. I needed some extra ones, so I bought this kit. I got this on Amazon as well for about $14. And if you look down in the description, I'll put a link for it too. Get this out of the way. I'll show you what we're going to be working with. So we're going to be changing out that ugly light right there. Real quick before we get started, if you'll do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification, be a big help. I have a ton of new content that's going to be coming your way. Now we'll get started. So this side right here is towards the back of the car, and there should be a little clip in here, and I'm going to use this pry tool to test it out. So you want to get in there, push that clip and hold it down. It should pop right out. There we go. You'll kind of want to work it out. Let's see. And you got your wire that's connected, and I think this will get in there to release it. Maybe. Oh, yep, sure does. If you have like a little scribe or something, make it a lot easier to get that push pin out. So here's what the old one looks like. And we got the new one, the left side. So real simple. All we're going to do is just plug it in. Slide it up there, and then push it up. Now let me connect the battery right quick, and we'll take a look at it. All right, now let's take a look. Oh yeah, it looks real good. Nice, crisp, clean image. So I was kind of torn between this one, and there's also another one. I don't know if you can see my hand or not, but it had SRT like right here below the Hellcat emblem, which I was kind of just looking for something simple, but something that kind of stick out and look cool. And I think this, honestly, I think it's definitely worth $35. I do notice in the video it kind of does look orange, but it's actually a really good red color. But anyways, we'll hop on passenger side and do it real quick. All right, passenger light, the same way. Get your tool in there. Push that pin. It should pull down. I'll let that thing go for a second. So these are, I mean, they're kind of a cheap plastic. I mean, I figure they kind of wear for the price, but I mean, they do get the job done, and you get several pieces out of it. So, I mean, they might be worth the money. You can just check out the link below. So we got our new one, labeled right side. Let's see. There we go. That one's just a little bit harder to push in. Set it up there, pull it in, snap in. Now, I'll get a video of daytime so you guys can see what it looks like. Look at all that pollen right there. Anyways, let you guys see what it looks like. Got the passenger side on. I do have the garage door up and I have the lights on, and you can still see how bright it is. So even in daylight, you can actually see it. So, hopefully this video clears things up for you. And like I said, you can check down below in the description. I'll have the link for them. You can go on there and you can look at what selection they have. Alright, so I got a little bonus content for you guys today. So I decided I need a polisher. I have a black Dodge Ram, and last year in the summer I parked it kind of close to the grass, and the sprinklers, they did a number on it with water spots. So I decided it's time for a polisher, and I started looking in and doing some research. And this is actually by Chemical Guys. You can find it on their website, but I just ordered this through Amazon. It came within a couple days. But it's called the Torque X Random Orbital Polisher Kit, and it's got 9 items in it. I'll show you that in case you want to look at it. I'll also put a link down in the description, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see what it looks like. Sorry if that was kind of loud. Alright, so it comes packaged well. Got your little packaging, and it comes with 4 bottles. Does it say what ounce? I'm not seeing. Oh, 4 ounce. So it's 4 ounce. It comes with 4, and they got the V32, V34, V36, and V38. And the lower the number is, from what I understand, is the deeper that it will cut down, and that would be for like a severely neglected older vehicle, like maybe from early 2000s or something. And if you just bought a vehicle and you need something that will kind of take out some light squirrels or something, maybe you bought a new car from a dealership and it's got squirrel marks in it, you can use the V38, and it's a very soft compound. And you also get some pads with it. So you get the light medium polishing pad, that's the white one. We got the medium heavy cutting pad, that's gonna be your orange one. And finally there's a black one, it's the finishing pad, wax sealant. Let me see it. Oh, also on the back, if you look, they have a breakdown of what each one is. Hopefully that's focusing for you guys. And you can definitely tell a difference. Like the orange one is a lot more, like, I guess you'd say durable. And like your whiter one and the black one are a lot like softer, more delicate, I guess. And let me get out, let's see, they got this taped up. Goodness, how many boxes they got these things in? So this is your actual polisher. Look at it. All right, so it looks like it's got like some springs, a little toolkit, instructions probably on how to use it or set it up. Here's the polisher itself. So it's got like a kind of a Velcro backing. On the other side, it's a soft, soft backing. And let's see here. I mean, it all looks like it's in good condition. Looks like it's well made. We'll know once we start using it if it's durable or not. You guys take a look at it. And it's got your different speeds, and from what I understand, whenever you start putting your polish on, you want to put it on and kind of dot it on and start with speed setting 1 and kind of spread it out, and then it goes all the way up to 6, which I'm guessing the 1 through 6, I'm guessing that's the RPMs. So pretty cool, can't wait to use this. So definitely keep an eye out in the videos, because I'm definitely gonna be using this soon. We got some rainy days coming, so I'm gonna wait till all that clears out and then I'll get out and test it out. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. And in a couple days, I'm gonna be installing some wider wheels and tires for the back. So just keep an eye out for that, and we'll see you next time.